I'm going to go ahead and take a small flathead screwdriver. I'm going to go ahead and get just inside the little crack of the case right here and just gently pry. And twist that screwdriver. Go around the perimeter. And you should be able to pop this open like so. This is going to expose the electronic internals in the keypad. And take our new unit here. I'm going to go ahead and take out our internals. In order to remove the internals, we're going to use a small pick. I'm just going to get underneath the edge right here, gently pry this up. I'm going to go ahead and take out our electronic portion of the board right here. I'm just going to set that down. Now this unit here has the battery in it, which is on the back side. I'm going to go ahead and twist this here, pop the back off. Take our battery out. Go to the back here, pop the battery cap off. What I want to do is take our electronic piece right here. Set that inside. I'm going to go ahead and take our keypad unit, lining everything up. Snap the case together. Set that battery inside. Put our cover on. There's a little rubber seal on the back side. I'll make sure that lines up appropriately. Use this screwdriver to lock it, and there you have it.